Ever wondered how a simple root like ginger can have numerous health benefits? Yes, we're talking about that pungent, spicy root that's often lurking in your spice cabinet. Ginger, a common ingredient in many of our kitchens, has a long and storied history. Originating from Southeast Asia, it has made its way across the world, bringing its distinctive flavor and aroma to countless dishes. But ginger is not just a flavor enhancer. It's used for centuries for its medicinal properties, from ancient Chinese and Indian systems of medicine to Greek and Roman medical texts. This small yet mighty root has been hailed as a panacea for various ailments, and modern science is catching up, exploring its potential health benefits. In the following minutes, we will discover the fascinating health benefits of this powerful root. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, and even playing a role in weight management, ginger truly is a root worth rooting for. As we conclude this segment, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave your comments below. Scene script. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you incorporate ginger into your daily diet? It's a question that many health-conscious individuals ponder on. Well, the answer is quite fascinating. As you start consuming ginger daily, your body begins to experience a myriad of subtle yet profound changes. First off, your digestive system gets a boost. Thanks to ginger's enzyme-enhancing properties, your body becomes more efficient at breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. This means fewer digestive discomforts and a happier gut. But the benefits don't stop at digestion. Consuming ginger daily can also help reduce inflammation in your body. It's packed with compounds like gingerols and shogaols that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help fight off free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and potentially warding off chronic diseases. And let's not forget about immunity. Regular ginger consumption can strengthen your immune system, making you more resistant to common colds, flu, and other infections. It's like having a personal bodyguard working 24/7 to keep you healthy. Finally, incorporating ginger into your daily diet could potentially aid in weight management. Ginger has been found to enhance thermogenesis and reduce feelings of hunger, which could help in maintaining a healthy weight. So if you're looking to boost your health, adding a dash of ginger to your meals could be an easy and effective way. But remember, every person's body is unique and may respond differently. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Stay tuned for more on the specific health benefits of ginger in the upcoming scenes. Did you know that ginger can significantly aid your digestion? It's a bit of a wonder root, really. You see, ginger has this unique ability to promote the production of digestive enzymes, those little workers in our bodies that break down the food we eat into nutrients we can use. Now, we've all had those moments of discomfort, haven't we? That feeling of indigestion after perhaps a bit too much of a good meal. Well, ginger comes to the rescue here too. It helps alleviate indigestion, easing that discomfort and getting your digestive system back on track. And if you're feeling a bit nauseous, ginger can be your go-to remedy. It's been used for centuries to soothe upset stomachs and reduce feelings of nausea. So next time you're feeling a bit queasy, remember, ginger might be your best friend. It's not just a tasty addition to your meals, but a valuable ally for your digestive health. Ginger is not only a flavor booster, but also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. This humble root has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern science is catching up to its benefits. One of these is ginger's powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains compounds known as gingerols and shogaols. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can be potentially beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Arthritis is an inflammation of the joints that can cause discomfort and pain. What these compounds do is they inhibit the production of chemicals in the body that trigger inflammation. This means that adding ginger to your diet can potentially help manage the symptoms of inflammatory conditions. But the benefits of ginger don't stop there. This spice is also a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause harm when their levels become too high in our body. This damage is known as oxidative stress, and it can lead to several chronic diseases. The antioxidants in ginger, such as gingerol, can help combat this oxidative stress. They neutralize the free radicals, preventing them from causing harm to our cells. This means that Ginger can potentially help protect against diseases related to oxidative stress, from heart disease to cancer. But what's really fascinating about ginger is that its antioxidant power is not just about neutralizing free radicals. Ginger also boosts the body's own antioxidant defenses. It stimulates the production of antioxidant enzymes in the body, enhancing our natural defenses against oxidative stress. So, whether you're dealing with inflammation or you just want to give your body an antioxidant boost, consider incorporating more ginger into your diet. You can use it to spice up your meals or enjoy it as a soothing cup of tea. And remember, while ginger offers many benefits, it's only one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are key to reaping the full benefits of this amazing root. Indeed, this humble root packs a powerful punch against inflammation and oxidative stress. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to add a little ginger. It might just be the health boost you need. Ginger's benefits don't stop at digestion and inflammation. It's also a champion against nausea and a supporter of your immune system. It's an age-old remedy used by generations to soothe upset stomachs and keep nausea at bay. But what's the science behind it? Ginger is known for its antiemetic properties, which simply means it can prevent or alleviate nausea and vomiting. You might have heard of people sipping on ginger ale when they're feeling queasy, and there's a good reason for that. Ginger contains compounds that can interact with your digestive and nervous systems, helping to calm an upset stomach. It's especially useful for those experiencing morning sickness during pregnancy or those undergoing chemotherapy, where nausea can be a common side effect. But ginger is not just about stopping you from feeling sick, it's also a powerful ally for your immune system. Some studies suggest that ginger can enhance immune response. It's all down to ginger's potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help to protect your body from harmful invaders. Ginger's immune-boosting effects are linked to its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are vital for health, as they fight free radicals in your body, which can damage cells and contribute to illness. By bolstering your body's natural defenses, ginger can help you stay healthy and fight off infections. And there's more. Ginger can also stimulate the production of immune cells. These are the body's first line of defense against pathogens, so having more of them can make your immune system even stronger. But remember, while ginger can support your immune system and help with nausea, it's not a cure-all. It's just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep hygiene are also crucial for a healthy immune system and overall well-being. So, whether you're feeling a bit under the weather or need a little immune boost, ginger could be your go-to remedy. It's versatile, easy to incorporate into your diet, and above all, packed with health benefits. So why not give it a try? Your body might just thank you for it. Now let's dive into the world of ginger tea, a warm, comforting, and health-boosting beverage. How to prepare ginger tea at home? Ginger tea with lemon and honey. Imagine a cup of tea prepared with freshly sliced ginger, its aroma wafting through the air, inviting you to take a sip. Crafting this soothing drink is as straightforward as it gets. Start with peeling and slicing a piece of fresh ginger, then let it boil in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, strain the liquid. To elevate your tea experience, add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon, both of which blend beautifully with the spicy notes of ginger. And what's a cup of tea without its benefits? Ginger tea, in all its warm and comforting glory, is known to soothe digestive issues. If you've had a meal that's sitting uncomfortably in your stomach, a cup of ginger tea might just be what you need. It can help promote digestion, reduce bloating, and even alleviate symptoms of indigestion. But the wonders of ginger tea go beyond the digestive system. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can potentially provide relief from a sore throat and other respiratory issues. So the next time you're battling a cold or cough, consider reaching for a cup of ginger tea. And let's not forget, ginger is packed with antioxidants. These compounds fight against harmful free radicals in the body, helping to maintain the overall health of your cells. So while you're sipping on your cup of ginger tea, know that you're also supporting your body's defenses against oxidative stress. Furthermore, the warmth that ginger tea provides isn't just a sensory experience, it's a comfort that can uplift your mood, especially on a cold day or during a stressful time. It's like a hug in a mug, offering a moment of calm in the hustle and bustle of daily life. A cup of ginger tea, thus, can be a delightful and healthy addition to your daily routine. Whether you're looking for a digestive aid, a natural anti-inflammatory, an antioxidant-rich beverage, or simply a comforting drink, ginger tea checks all the boxes, so why not brew a cup today? Are you curious about how ginger and lemon might help with weight management? Let's dive right in. Ginger, a well-loved spice worldwide, carries a secret weapon for those looking to manage their weight. This zingy root may help increase feelings of fullness after meals. How does this work, you ask? Well, ginger is thought to stimulate certain digestive processes that influence how our bodies absorb and metabolize nutrients. This might lead to a suppressed appetite and, hence, possibly reduce overall calorie intake. Now let's add a twist of lemon to the mix. The refreshing citrus flavor of lemon not only makes your ginger infusion more enjoyable to drink, but also adds a burst of vitamin C. But the duo's magic doesn't stop at taste and nutrition. The combination of ginger and lemon is believed to boost metabolism. How does that help with weight management? A boosted metabolism means your body can burn calories more efficiently. This in turn may support your weight loss efforts indirectly. Imagine this, you're sipping on a warm, comforting cup of ginger and lemon tea. It's not just a soothing ritual, but it's also potentially aiding your body's calorie-burning processes. Stay hydrated with ginger and lemon tea. Hydration is important for overall health and can also play a role in weight management. Drinking fluids helps maintain a feeling of fullness, reducing the chance of overeating. Now, it's important to remember that while the ginger-lemon duo does have its potential benefits, it's not a magic potion for weight loss. It's a part of a larger picture, a balanced diet and regular exercise. Sustainable weight management is about incorporating healthy habits into your everyday life, and ginger and lemon could be a part of that journey. Remember, while ginger and lemon offer potential benefits, they are part of a balanced diet and regular exercise, not a miracle weight loss solution. Thank you for watching our video on the incredible health benefits of ginger. We hope you found this information enlightening and useful. We're passionate about sharing knowledge on health and wellness, just like this. So if you enjoyed this video, why not consider subscribing to our channel? Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any favorite recipes or health tips involving ginger? Maybe you have a question or a topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Please feel free to leave a comment below. We enjoy reading your thoughts and interacting with our community of health-conscious viewers. Remember, every little change in your lifestyle contributes to a larger impact on your overall health. Incorporating ginger into your diet might be one small step towards a healthier you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in our next video.